Today, we're diving into the kitchen to learn how to make a kitchen staple, buttermilk. It's versatile, and the best part? You can easily make it at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather ingredients. To make buttermilk, all you need are two simple ingredients: milk and either lemon juice or vinegar. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this tangy delight. Step 2. Measure ingredients. Measure 1 cup of milk. You can use whole milk for a creamier texture, but any type of milk will work just fine. Step 3. Add acidic component. To create that distinctive tang in buttermilk, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or white vinegar to the milk. This acidic component is what transforms regular milk into buttermilk. Step 4. Stir and let it sit. Give it a good stir to ensure the lemon juice or vinegar is evenly distributed. Now, let the mixture sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the acid to react with the milk, thickening it and giving it that classic buttermilk flavor. Step 5. Check for curdling. After a few minutes, you'll notice the milk has slightly thickened and may have small curdles. This is exactly what you want. Step 6. Taste test. Now, it's time for a taste test. Take a small sip to ensure it has the desired tanginess. If needed, you can add a bit more lemon juice or vinegar and let it sit for a few more minutes. Step 7. Store or use. Congratulations! You've just made homemade buttermilk. You can use it immediately in your recipes, or if you've made a larger batch, store it in the refrigerator. It should last for about a week. You can add buttermilk to your pancake or waffle batter for that extra fluffiness. Or use buttermilk to create creamy salad dressings. You can also buttermilk with marinate chicken for a tender and flavorful result. And there you have it, a quick and easy recipe for homemade buttermilk. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen hacks, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to learn.